Who will take care of your kids? Or are you taking care of kids with you? Yes. Karuna, why do you behave like that? You're so nice in other lives. Hmm. John Henry Holiday. How are you, John Henry Holiday? You create another account? And you're about Piggy, you're asking. Well, when I'm in Philippines, I will take them, my kids, because we're going to eat the restaurants, we're going out together, shopping, swimming. We sleep together with my kids, yeah. We spend time with them because I miss them, of course. Can hurt like this. Your kisses burning to my skin. Forgot I was on this account. Huli ka, John Henry Holiday. Swimming, I don't know how to swim. Oh, it's fine because I don't know how to swim too. But I can surf. Yes, I'm a surfer, but I cannot swim. I don't know how to swim, but I know how to surf. And we swim in the swimming pool, so that's fine. That is fine. But I need to go brush my teeth, guys. So just stay here. We were just messing with Jens. That's why I'm on this account. Yeah. I am in Jen's channel live before and I saw you. I saw you there. Accept me on Facebook? Oh, did you add me on Facebook? I don't see. I didn't see. What is your name? Because I have, ilan ba yung, but I have 415 requests. Hey, just this better. JS Rocker, hello. Ouch, Karuna. Bye-bye. Can't comment anymore. JS Rocker, thank you so much for the sponsorship of this. Isa already gave this to me. It's so cute. Thank you so much, JS Rocker, for this cup. Yeah. I think it's fit to me. Yeah, it's medium size. Oh, I didn't take a bath yet. Maybe I can bring this in Philippines. Hey, Piggy. Thank you so much, JS Rocker, for sending this gift. Thank you. This is so cute. It's a medium size. Yeah, this is actually my size. So cute. I love it.